Hey guys, it's Kim. Welcome back to today's video. So today I have a long overdue huge Dollar Tree haul to share with you guys. It has been, I feel like, quite some time since I've done a haul. Basically what I've been doing is I've been hoarding everything that I've been buying, and I got so busy with Vlogmas that I realized I didn't even upload a Dollar Tree haul. Like, I do a ton of shop with me's, and then I was like, oh my gosh, I have so much stuff to share with you guys that I like kind of handpicked out, things that I loved. Like, I always try and just pick the best things that I find to share with you guys, like kind of the star items at Dollar Tree that I'm finding at my stores. So I'm probably gonna have quite a few hauls coming up. I'm gonna split them up between this channel, and then also I have a separate channel which you guys have to subscribe to. I just hit over 1,000 followers. It is called Discount Dolly. It's basically like my Dollar Tree everything YouTube channel. I just wanted something where I could put any sort of other content on there, like anything Dollar Tree related. I still upload Dollar Tree content on here all the time, but I just wanted another space, basically. Kind of like how I started my own Dollar Tree Instagram as well. So make sure you guys are following me there too. It is at Dollar Tree Dolly. We just hit over 49,000 followers on there. My mind is blown. So like pumped to continue on with this fun journey into the new year. So I have so many amazing things to share with you guys. Fashion to beauty to random home stuff. So let's just get on into it. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys love Dollar Tree content, and also subscribe to my other channel like I mentioned, and let's get into this huge amazing Dollar Tree haul. Know if I filmed a Christmas haul with you guys, but I do have a couple Christmassy items in here. Hopefully you don't mind. And the first are these super adorable holographic gift boxes. They say, "Oh, what fun," and there's like Christmas lights, and I just loved these. Now, I was realizing after I bought these, I was looking in my bag where I have all my like Christmas stuff, and I realized I had so many boxes, so I honestly didn't even really need these. But now I have them, so I'll just save them, I guess, for next year's gifts. They're so pretty though. I've never seen such cute boxes like this before at Dollar Tree. Here you could see it better. Oh, what fun. Another Christmassy item, I found this really cute snowman ice cube tray. I have like a collection of these ice cube trays, and they're just so much fun. And you don't even have to just use them for ice cube trays. You can use them for candy molds. You can make wax melts with them if you want to. And I actually realized I didn't have this one. It's actually penguins. I don't know why I said snowmen. It's penguins. So you can kind of see them better on this side, but really cute. I picked up one of these ice cube trays for Peyton. If you guys missed it, I did like a Dollar Tree box gift exchange with my friend Peyton Rose, and I'll link that below. It was on my Discount Dolly channel, so maybe you guys didn't see it, but it was so much fun. We exchanged Dollar Tree gifts. So I have to like set a limit though, because I'm like, how many ice cube trays can I possibly fit into my freezer? Like, we don't have an ice cube machine in our house, like on our fridge, so I always am using ice cubes every day, and I always like end up running out of them. But this is still cute for winter time. Okay, talk about a major throwback. I told you guys I am so behind on these hauls. Like, I literally think I purchased these in October. I'm not even gonna lie to you. This was the Halloween collection they did with the really cool packaging. This is my favorite style, Wispy Spiky. Cannot get enough of Wispy Spiky, and they are just so beautiful. These actually for some reason look fuller than Wispy Spiky even usually looks. I don't know if you guys noticed, but Ioni, they come out with new collections like maybe every couple months at Dollar Tree, but the styles never change, so you don't have to feel bad if you missed one like from their previous collection, because you can always just get it in their next collection. It seems like it's very rare that they add a new style. It always just seems to be the same ones. I mean, I don't mind. I love their lashes. Like, a heads up for you guys, like, it's not like different lashes every single time they come out with a new collection. I'll draw build back here my makeup collection with Ioni lashes. And this is when everything was still $1, but I will gladly pay $1.25 for Ioni lashes, because they perform like $20 lashes. I don't even remember purchasing this, honestly. It's this tie-dye smiley face notebook. I think I actually got this to do some sort of like themed TikTok video with, like as a prop. And I was like, oh, I totally forgot that I got this. So I'll probably just end up putting it in a giveaway for you guys. I do tons of Dollar Tree giveaways, but it's cute. It's by that really fun brand, Crown Jewels. They also come out with a lot of like Christian notebooks, which I love as well. Just really cute and fun. I love anything with smiley faces. Smiley faces were also like really popular again in 2021. Every time I see something, it's like a memory of a time when I went shopping at Dollar Tree and like finding a specific item, and this is definitely one of those items. This is the Franco Sarto control top stockings. So I purchased these just in case, you know, I needed a pair of stockings for if I ever was dressing up or something a little bit more formal, which really doesn't happen too often. But I was like, you know what, I'm gonna grab these because I know that I'm never gonna see them again. I found them at about 2 stores. So this is just the black color. It is a control top, which is the kind of stocking that has that like suck you in high-waisted thing going on. So this is a size B, and when I went, they had all sorts of sizes and colors. They had nude. Yeah, it was really cool. I was like, how is Franco Sarto at Dollar Tree? Like, kind of blew my mind. I know they're just stockings, but still really cool. 2014, so I'm assuming this is from 2014, which was over 7 years ago, but it doesn't really matter for stockings. They don't go bad. And there was also Via Spiga the same time at Dollar Tree, and those were actually made in Italy. And I said to myself, this is probably the only time I'm ever gonna find something made in Italy at Dollar Tree. So it was really, really wild. So let me know if you guys ever found these stockings. This next item is so cute. It is this wall shelf, and I have to figure out where I can put this, but this is perfect if you like DIYs because you can definitely stain this. It is like a little piece of wood, and it's really cool because it has this cute little like ring that it hangs with and the fun nautical rope. I thought this was such an amazing find. Even better is that you get 2 in here. So I'm thinking I can stain this and make it look really cute, and you can just get little mini stains for like $1.50 at Home Depot and, you know, stain it yourself. Just use a little washcloth and brush it on. I have actually seen this at quite a lot of my stores. Like, it doesn't seem to be like a super rare item. Like, you guys know a lot of stuff is a little bit harder to find, but I feel like they've been putting these out more. So I hope you guys can pick these up. On this channel, I do a decent amount of Dollar Tree makeup tutorials. I love trying out Dollar Tree makeup for you guys, and you seem to really enjoy those videos as well because it's not just showing you what I picked up, it's then actually taking everything and then wearing it and showing you how to apply that makeup and what kind of looks you can create with it. So I found a couple gems on these past few shopping trips, and the first one is something that was actually, I think, and still is at Walmart. It's the Hard Candy Glamouflage Foundation. It says it's full coverage, and I haven't worn full coverage, I feel like, in so long, but I'm down for a full glam moment with this to just test it out. Now, this is the shade Ultra Light, so I think this is actually gonna be, even in the winter, a bit too light for me, so I'll actually just probably end up mixing it with another foundation just so I can kind of match my neck and my face a little bit more. But I'm really excited to try this. I think I used to have this like back in the day, and I remember liking it. So if you guys are excited for me to try this out, let me know. And then to go along with that, this will probably also be in my next tutorial. It is one of my favorite brands to find at Dollar Tree. It is Flower Beauty. Flower Beauty is amazing, and this is the brightening concealer in BC1. Funny, someone had commented on my TikTok, and they're like, posted one product that I found from Flower at DT, and someone was like, this is all you know, cheap junk makeup made in China. And I was like, well, actually Flower Beauty is made in the USA, so that's not really true at all. So yeah, this is proudly made in the USA, and I have only found this one color. It is a twist up concealer. It says medium coverage, natural finish, and I have seen this at literally every store that I've gone to, so I feel like it shouldn't be really that hard for you guys to find, which is also really exciting. So this is going to be a really fun combo to test out together. This next find is so cute. I told you guys I had a little bit of fashion in here. So we had the stockings, and then my next fashion piece is actually this adorable little bag. I thought this was so cute, and I've been seeing this also a ton at the stores. And what is really fun about this is there's a little snap, and it actually has a strap for a crossbody. How cute is that? I am 100% going to be wearing this because I love that you can convert it to a crossbody, and it's just like a cute, simple faux leather black bag. It actually has a pebbled look to it, like pebbled faux leather. It's really super nice actually. So I think I can make this cute. You can also, you know, do the armpit bag, wear it up here if you want to. I'll probably just end up though wearing it crossbody, but it's like a fun little bucket bag. How cute is that? And also they have pink and a tan color, but honestly, not bad. I bought this when it was $1, so I'm gonna say not bad for $1, okay? Really cute. Okay, so again, another Christmas item that I literally just had sitting in my car, so I'll have to use this next year, is this adorable little wreath with holly berries on it, and also a piece of my hair as well. So we're super festive wreaths because you can put them in your bathroom, you can put them on a door, and I just thought this one was adorable because it had a combo of the berries, the leaves, and also the pine. Really, really cute. So I definitely wanted to pick one of these up, but again, I'll just have to put it away until next year. I picked up 2 of the B color nail wraps. I wanted to try these out and see how the quality was, just for like a quick maybe one-day manicure. So this one is leopard, and then this one is glitter and watermelon. So I have to try one of these out. I feel like these are definitely more of a sticker rather than like a real nail polish, like how my nail strips are real nail polish. So maybe just for like a day, see how they are, put some top coat on. I picked up 2 of these vinyl papers, which are to be used if you have a silhouette machine like I have, or if you have a Cricut. Now, it's so funny, I keep collecting these and I have to actually try the paper. I have not touched my silhouette machine in quite a few months, so I have to start trying these out. And I still cannot believe though that this vinyl paper is at Dollar Tree, because these are so expensive. If you get them at Michael's or Joann's, they can be like $10 and up. So I've heard that these are pretty good, and this one is one of my favorites. It's actually this like black sparkle paper. Absolutely loved that. And then I also found this leopard vinyl paper. Come on, how cute is that? This was definitely on my wish list. I had only seen the leopard vinyl paper at one store, so now I think I have red, white, the black glitter, and now the leopard. So I'm excited to try these out. I have to test them on like a cup. Maybe I'll try a mug or something and see if I can come up with anything cute. But these are definitely so amazing. Like one of my favorite finds for sure of the year, even though I haven't tried them yet. But I thought this was one of the coolest things that they've come out with this year. That was like kind of mind-blowing. I never thought I would see this at Dollar Tree, so really, really cool. This item is this really cute little reindeer with glitter, what do you call them, horns? Glitter horns. So yeah, I'm gonna put him in my ornament box till next year. He's really cute though. I loved these ornaments that they came out with because they were so like iridescent and just so pretty. They also had like a unicorn. I had posted them all when they first came out, but just so pretty. I had to pick one up. This next item is so cute. This is gonna be perfect for decorating the house in the new year. It is this sign that says home. And there's also one that says love, which is really cute as well. It has a white background, and I just thought it was so precious that the O was this little faux kind of wreath, or what they call it, like a box wreath. I think this is one of the nicest things that they've come out with at Dollar Tree over the past few months, because I just think the quality is really cute. It's decently, you know, like a thick size, and you have the little hanging string right here. So I think this is cute. I just have to find a spot where I can hang it up. It's very like the Farmhouse vibes. Excited about this next find. I actually just ran out of my Natural Toothpaste, so I picked this one up, and these were going quick at my store. I've only found this one time. It's Dr. Sheffield's certified natural fluoride-free toothpaste with active charcoal. Now the only thing with these is that they come out black, so it can definitely be a little messy if you're not careful. Kind of can get everywhere. So, but still, I thought this was awesome. I think this retails for about $7 at the regular stores, and there's no fluoride, no synthetic foaming agents, no artificial preservatives, or no artificial colors. There's also no artificial sweeteners and no animal testing. It is cruelty free. So I think this is Seriously, such a great find. And a Sheffield company, it says, has been around since the 1870s. He developed a cleaning product in cream form that replaced powders at the time for teeth cleaning, and he made the dental cream in his office and added mint extracts to improve the flavor. That is so cool. I didn't realize this brand has been around for so long, and it says they're from Connecticut. Yeah, this is like a vintagey kind of brand. I mean, this isn't vintage, but they've been around since the 1800s, so that's me right there. I mean, that's a brand that withstands the test of time. So excited about this one. Again, I feel like this is something that's probably going to be more rare to find. Sometimes things just pop up at my stores, and I'm like, how like did this end up here? I don't know, but I'm not mad about it. Okay guys, so that is going to be actually part one of this huge haul. I don't want to overwhelm you guys and make this video insanely long, so stay tuned for part two. I'm going to share with you guys the rest of what is inside this bag, and honestly, you do not want to miss part two because there is still so much amazing stuff to share that I found at Dollar Tree. So thank you guys so much for watching part one of my huge Dollar Tree haul, and I love you guys so much. Again, don't forget to subscribe. There will be many more videos like this coming this year, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!